Welcome to the Bird Show. Oh, we have here our group of engineers all the way from California, and also our pigeons named Tyler and Sam. So, also a white king pigeon named Romeo. You know, guys, before, century ago, pigeons were used as a messenger to send a message from their loved ones. Now, you come, relax, and be amazed with our fine-planet friends, because these friends of mine will show you their talents of our beautiful, colorful, and fluffy birds. So the question is, are you guys ready to be amazed with our fine-planet friends? Are you ready? Alright, to officially start the show, let me call on my partner on the stage, Mr. Ian, together with a blue and gold Amigo will show us how to raise the flag, because raising the flag is the symbol of us, Filipino or any other country, a symbol of patriotism. Come on, Amigo. Alright, what will you do? Don't be shy, Amigo. Come on, pull up. Pull up all the way up to the top. Come on, good boy. Yes, that's good. Alright, good. And great job, Amigo. See, even if Amigo was all the way from South America, he loved to raise the Philippine flag. And aside from that, Amigo is also a very responsible bird. So as you can see, I have a sample trash bin and a sample crushes. So I have here a Coca-Cola can, an empty beer can, and a plastic cup. Now, Amigo will show us how responsible he is. So, come on, Amigo. What will you do? Alright. He picks the Coca-Cola can, walk away, open the bin and jump inside. Come on, Amigo, pour the plastic cup, walk away, open the bin and jump inside the can. Last but not the least, the beer can. Open the bin and jump inside. See? If the birds can do, what can we, right? So everybody, guys, adults, children, kids, we must maintain and love our environment. So please help us to maintain our environment clean and green. Now, Amigo, together with his fine-feathered friends, will officially open the show. Come on, Amigo. What will you do? Don't be shy, friend. Come on. Put it down. I think he's shy. So, alright. Welcome to Wilson Forest Bird Show. Ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, please help me welcome our flying macaws. Come on, ready, stage guys. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on, go. Oh, we have here a total of 6 blue and gray macaws named Mom, Cow, Heidi, Tony, Harry, and a one green macaw named Rico. You know, guys, there were 370 species of parrots on Earth, and macaws are the largest parrot. So they're all the way from South America, and they are known for having a very colorful tail and wings, and a very long tail. They also love to eat hard-shell nuts, just like hazelnuts and almond nuts. So for the next bird, I want you to call his name. So he's a very intelligent and a special bird. So can you say Jumbo? Jumbo! Okay, can you say Jumbo? Jumbo! Alright, Jumbo, come on! And he's another green-winged macaw. Hey Jumbo, good morning. Why didn't you say hi to everybody? Alright. Again, can you say hi? Alright. Macaws is a very long, colorful tail. And they can extend it up to 3 feet from their body to their tail. Now, Jumbo will show us his very long tail. Can you speak, Jumbo? Can you speak, Jumbo? Alright, turn around, and good boy, Jumbo. Now, most of their colors are outside their bodies, and less color under its wings. So you want to see his wings? You want to see his wings? Yeah. Just say wing. Yeah. Right, okay, just say wing. Yeah. is a very smart type of bird. Now, Mr. Ian prepared a real food, hard shell nut, and let's see what will Jumbo do. Come on, Mr. Ian. He picks up the plastic basket and gets his reward. So by using his beak, it's because his beak serves as his third finger used for climbing or holding some things. Now, as I've said earlier, that Jumbo is a very smart and intelligent bird because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Alright, so let's do the IQ test for Jumbo. So I have here 5 animal pictures with our lovely candidates. So we have here the horse, the camel, the zebra, the snake, and the tiger. Now, I want you to choose what animal picture do you want. So I'm here to tell you, how about this side? So the camel. So let's have a votation. Who's in favor for the tiger? Alright, how about the camel? I think majority and tiger, so they pick the tiger. So while Mr. Chris is busy preparing the Jumbo letters, let's ask and Sam have a little interview with Mr. Ian. So Mr. Ian, asa did you can see Jumbo?
South America.
South America. So you know, si Jumbo loves to go to school. What particularly in a school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. So kids, kaya na mo asa mo magpa-enroll this opening. So I think ready na itong Jumbo letters. So Mr. Ryan, are you sure maka-answer si Jumbo? Alright, come on Jumbo. For the spelling test, he picks the letter T. How about the second letter, Jumbo? Second letter, Jumbo. He picks the letter I. For the third letter, Jumbo, no coaching, Mr. Ryan, no coaching. Alright, he picks the letter G. Alright, for the fourth letter, Jumbo, letter E. Yeah. Best body ni Mr. Ryan is Mr. Ryan is in coaching ani. For the last letter, oh, he picks the letter R. Is that correct? Yes, tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Are you satisfied? Well, dili pa ako satisfied. So let's make a little more difficult. So from the spelling test, let's move on to the mathematical test. So let's see how such smart Jumbo when it comes to computation. Now I want you to pick a number from 1 to 10. The 9. How about this side? 9. From a guy named Glider. So Glider is all the way from Southeast Asia, mostly Indonesia and Malaysia. So they are also called as red-backed sea eagle in Australia. So they are renowned for having a white plumage from their head down to their body and a reddish brown wings and also in their tails. Here in the Philippines, red-backed sea eagle is also called as Manok in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. One more round. Right. So again, please, no one will reach out to her. Brahmini kite also love to eat fresh fish, small animals, small arthropods, insects, and any other. So just like vultures, they also love to eat decaying bodies. Alright, we call him glider. It's because the way he flies down to the stage, he flies very smooth. So come on, glider. And fly down and up to the tree. So come on, glider. So this is the only medium size of bird. Later, you will see you will witness one of the largest birds. So now they are all endemic and endangered due to hunting and trade, especially here in the Philippines.
Koy na, Bing.
Alright?
Koy, gibawal naman ng itak ko. Sabita.
So
Dili, gibawal na. Ganis na
they
dili.
also love the surroundings.
Bawal magpate.
So one fly glider, they can also fly up to 2,000 feet high. And even how small the birds of the prey are, they can clearly see it. It's because they also have a very sharp eyesight. So come on. So sometimes, kung stay sila sa area, it means that they saw something. It's either a food or any of the competitors niya in hunting. So come on, glider. You're not ready yet? So let's wait until glider will go back to the stage. So red-backed sea eagle in Australia. I think you want to stay there. So I think he's already he loves to do the showing around or roaming around inside the stage. So no worries because we have here. So from the medium-sized bird, let's fly to one of the largest bird of prey. So again, please sit down. No one will stand up. It's because this bird will fly closer to you. Okay. Oh. Come on, glider. So ganahan magin siya magpa-expose sa stage. And a round of applause to the glider. So once again, from the medium-sized bird, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey. Again, please sit down. And all set. So we have there Mr. Erwin. Are you ready, Mr. Erwin? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah. For our grand finale, we have here our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. Come on, Marina. Oh, and fly to Mr. Fly down to the ground. So white-bellied sea eagle are the king of the sea, usually originated from Southeast Asia, mostly Indonesia and Malaysia. So they are renowned for having a white plumage from their body down to from their head down to their body, and a grayish or blackish color from the wings and also their tail. They love to eat fresh water snakes, fresh fish, and many more. So any of the animals, small reptiles, do love to eat them. So he can also fly 3,000 feet high. So just like with the glider, na Brahminic glide, even if how small ang iyang prey, makita ni habang. So now nakita mo sa mga young white-bellied sea eagle ganihan na si Ronan. So that's we can clearly differentiate the mature one and the young one. Si Marina is already a matured one and is now aging for about 6 to 7 years old. So come on, Marina. So sometimes you cannot force the bird to perform good perfectly. It's because depende po na sa ilahang mood. So as you can see, karon medyo bugnaw ayong panahon. That's why they love swaying around and playing around inside the stage. So come on, Marina. Don't be shy. So bird trainers extending their patience when it comes to birds. As Sino diligent kayo lalim mag-train ng birds, it takes time for how many months to train them, and especially study ang ilang habitat, study ang ilang lifestyle, and especially sa ilang food. So Marina, wanna go down to the stage? I wanna fly to Mr. Chris. So we're just waiting for the perfect timing. Don't be shy, Marina, come on. Fly down to the stage. So medyo hindi maging kayo siya ready. So let's wait a few seconds. Come on. Yes, come on, Billboard. So here in the Philippines, we cannot rare na kaya natin sila makita. It's because ang naadiri sa Pilipinas is our Philippine eagle. In their country also, there are also one of the endangered species due to hunting and trade also. So I think they're not yet ready.